In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enter multi-currency transactions in QuickBooks Online. Managing transactions in multiple currencies can seem daunting, but with QuickBooks Online, it's a straightforward process as long as you know where to begin. So let's dive right in and explore this handy feature that will help you streamline your business operations. To kick things off, you need to log into your QuickBooks Online account. Once you're on the dashboard, direct your attention to the top right corner of your screen. You'll see a gear icon there, which acts as a gateway to various settings and customization options. Go ahead and click on that gear icon. After clicking the gear icon, a drop-down menu will appear. From this list, you'll want to select Account and Settings. Clicking on this will open up a new section of options that allow you to tailor QuickBooks to your specific business needs. Now that you're in the Account and Settings menu, direct your focus to the left-hand side of the screen where you'll see a tab labeled Advanced. You'll need to click on this tab to access the options we need to activate multi-currency transactions. Once you're in the Advanced settings, you'll need to scroll down until you reach the section that's titled Currency. This is the pivotal area for enabling your account for multi-currency transactions. In this section, you'll see an option to turn on multi-currency. Go ahead and toggle that setting to enable it. Here's an important piece of advice. Once you've activated the multi-currency feature, it cannot be turned off. Therefore, it's crucial to ensure that your business indeed requires handling multiple currencies before you proceed. Take a moment to consider your current and future business needs to make an informed decision. Also, a quick note before we wrap up. The availability of multi-currency in QuickBooks Online depends on your subscription plan. If you encounter any issues finding the multi-currency option, double-check your subscription level. Some plans may not support this feature, and you may need to upgrade your plan to access it. And there you have it. By following these straightforward steps, you can equip your QuickBooks Online account to manage and record multi-currency transactions, aiding in more efficient financial management for international dealings. As a result, you'll be equipped to streamline your accounting processes and better serve your global business needs. Thanks for watching, and happy bookkeeping.